Hey, Bob. Isn't this what Dale had? Didn't you say he had a Shelby or no? Did Dale have a Shelby?
No, he had
Oh.
I want that.
Yeah, they're nice cars, Heidi.
I want.
Yeah, they're nice. They go fast. Yeah, they go fast.
I want the basketball.
Yeah, these cars are real expensive.
I want to go like that.
The Mustang Fastback. Huh? I see that.
It's just a little dinky seat.
Wow.
Car's only got 59,000.
There's my favorite color. That's pretty.
I said this one I got 59,000 original miles.
Wow.
They made 49,000 of these.
Look at the pink one.
Like that blue one, they made 49,000 of.
Wow. I like this pink one.
Oh, that was a
Scoochie. I gotta look here. Oh, that is beauty. Wow. You buy me this one, Bob.
Yeah, it's that price is going to $506.
Alex, the hood comes down on this.
We can drive it.
Totally different accent.
Yeah, automatic. We can drive it. That's not shifting. We can drive it. Are you gonna open it?
Oh yeah. I don't think we're I'm like, okay, Canadian wine, beer, and
That is a cool car.
it's just got like top down and everything.
You don't have to duck. I can get you. I'm just getting over top.
Mom, we can drive it. It's automatic transmission.
Awesome. I can do it.
Yeah.
Look at the rear view mirror, Harley.
Oh, there's kids going again.
You see the rear view mirror?
We're checking that no one poison is drinking his wine. You put the checking the poison. Oh, I didn't see the title. We missed the first.
Now you just gotta drive up to the hamburger stand and the ice cream cones. Hey, Bob, look at the seat. Bob, look at the seat. It turns. Its seat turns.
Yeah, I didn't see that. Why did you weigh something like that? Why can't they secure it?